today's topic is NTFS file system. Okay, new technology file system. New technology file system. Okay, new technology file system. We are started with the initial file. Okay, we are always started with the initial file. That initial file is called as a master file table. Okay, master file table. Okay, master file table consists of master file table consists of each file present on the disk, consist of each file present on the disk. Whatever the files are we are creating, all these files are stored at disk. Okay, each file, okay, whatever the files are there, created files, each file is used by OS. Okay, each file is used by OS. Again, each file consists of records. Okay, each file consists of records. In file we have records. Okay, all these records are known as metadata. Okay, what is meant by metadata? Data about data is called a metadata. Information about information is called a metadata. We are started with the initial file, NTFS initial file called master file table. Okay, initial files are stored in first 15 records. Okay, we are started storing the files, that is initial files are stored in first 15 records. Okay, this is the first position and this is the last position, means not only last, again 16 is there. Okay, first 15. Okay, first 15 records of MT master file table. Okay, initial files are stored in first 15 records. First 15 records of master file table. Okay, we have some system files stored in master file table. What are they? The list of system files stored in master file table. Okay, we have 12 list of system files are there. First one, master file table. Okay, master file table is stored like this: $master file table MFT. Its position is, okay, first 15 are there. First one is the MFT. First 15, 1, 2, so on up to 15. First one is the MFT. $MFT is stored like this. Its position of its record is 1. Okay, MFT find extra space. Okay, MFT find some extra space. This is the first position. This is the extra space. Master file table find extra space. The additional record is also stored. The additional record is stored in extra space. Okay, and second one means first 15, second one, MFT2. Okay, MFT2 is written as MFT mirror. Its position is second. Okay, its position is second, One more point, always initial files are stored in records. Record is always started with 0 and again 1, so on up to this is 14. Okay, here also one more mistake is first position of its record is 0. MFT is 0 and again MFT2 is 1. Its position is 1. This is position. Okay, position is 1. And third one, log file, okay, is written as $LOGFILE. Its position is 2. Okay, its position is 2. It saves the previous transaction. It saves the previous transactions. Fourth one is volume. Okay, is written as $volume. Its position is 3. Information related to volume. Information related to volume like label and version. Fifth one, attribute definition. Okay, fifth one is attribute definition. Okay, attribute definition. Next one is attribute definition. $ATTRDFF. Its position is 4. It includes names, numbers, and definitions of attribute. Okay, definitions of attribute. And sixth one, boot file name index. Boot file name index. It is written as only $. Its position is 5. And next, fifth one, bitmap sector. Okay, bitmap sector written as $bitmap. Its position is 6. Indicates the cluster. Eighth one, boot sector. Okay, boot sector. It is written as $BOT and it is position is 7. Ninth one, blad cluster file. $BADCLECLS. Its position is 8. Errors that cannot be solved. Errors that cannot be easily solved. Next, 10th one, security file is written as $secure and its position is 9. Security is given by unique key. Okay, 11th one, upcase table. Okay, upcase table is written as $upcase. Its position is 10. Okay, it converts lowercase letters to uppercase letters. Okay, it converts lowercase letters to uppercase letters. And last one, 12th one is NTFS extension file. Okay, extension file. It written as $extend. Its position is 11. Finally, one note is 12th position, 12th record, 13th, 14th and 15th are reserved for future use. Okay, are reserved for future use.